I feel that if someone like P2B, Atiku, if they want to be sincere, they are not just going to be campaigning for their choices and leave all this stress. They know that their vote is not going to count. They know that their vote is not going to count. Who is going to conduct the election? Yakubu? Is it Yakubu, right? Yakubu. That is the person that is going to conduct the election. And Tinubu is telling you he's going to give Edo State back to APC. And you are seeing everything in reality. And they are still telling you people that day, you people should come out and go and vote for Olumide Akpata. Go and vote for Aswe Gadado. And that is the right thing they were telling you before, if it is a normal country. But Nigeria is not a normal country where your vote, simple voting, can deliver a candidate. I am tired of pretending all those. These people should stop pretending and face the reality. You can't pretend for too long. Telling your fans, you people should go and vote as if the voting system is working. A president stood up and said he's going to give. He's the president of Nigeria. He's going to give Edo State to APC. You people are sleeping, telling your fans to go and vote. As if during presidential election they did not vote for you. What is the outcome of the vote? The whole you troop out and they voted for you. I saw P2B and the SOT. They did the right thing if Nigeria is a normal country, right? By canvassing vote for Olumide Akpata. But Nigeria is not a normal country. Obi knows. Obi knows that Nigeria is not a normal country where your vote for Olumide can make him win. Your vote will not make him win. I'm not saying you should not vote for him. As in, the PDP candidate, I'm not saying you should not vote for him, but your vote will not make PDP candidate to win. Oh, listen to me. I'm not part of people who deceive Nigerians, right? Good afternoon, everyone. This video is a little bit controversial, but I'm not trying to be politically correct. And I don't like to pet words or to maneuver the reality. Now, I don't know why I am feeling that someone like Atiku and P2B are deceiving some of their political allies or their followers. Mind you, I am a big fan of P2B, and during the last election, I supported him, and we did everything we could, and we saw how things, went. But you cannot tell me that someone like Atiku, someone like P2B don't know what is going on in Nigeria. Now, I'm saying this regards to Edo State election. How many of you remember this video?
You know me well. Yeah. You know I must your money well. We are still going to fight further. Don't worry. We are with you. You will not walk alone. One thing I can show you is this. Do you want to go back? Yeah! As the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I will give the go back to you. And then we turn to a beautiful, if not more beautiful than Lagos, will be equal to Lagos. Be assured of that.
Yes, that is the Nigeria political god. He is the god of politics. Anybody he says die, you die. Anybody he says live, you live. Nigeria has been hijacked. There is no doubt about that. The political atmosphere in Nigeria, if you want anyone to tell you the truth, you will understand that your voting system can never, at this current Tinubu's regime, gives you what you want. Now, this is what I mean. Look at this video.
In Edo State are so many, and the issues will determine the outcome of the election, the governorship election that is coming up in September 21st, this month. The election is not just about APC, PDP, and Labour. It's about the evil, the acts Godwin Obaseki and Aswe Godalo has committed against the people of Edo State. They have fought democracy, they have betrayed democracy, they have abandoned the rule of law, they have stolen our resources, and this is the time to judge them. And this is the time Edo people are ready to tell them that they are the real owners of this state. Obaseki and Aswe Godalo jointly have wrecked Edo State financially. They have plunged Edo State into debt. And not just that, they wrecked our resources to build their personal estates. Today, Ashtags and Obaseki have used Edo State resources to found the bank, which is Globus Bank. And not just that, Ashtags, I remember during the Adam Shomole, he was invited to be chairman of Edo State economic team. He refused that Edo does not have the money to pay him. And that was how he recommended Godwin Obaseki. And you can see that they are trying to make the governance of our state a family affair, an affair between two friends. So we Edo people will not allow that to happen. And this is the time to bring Obaseki to justice. Obaseki has committed a lot of crimes against Edo people. Edo people have spared him because of the immunity that is given to him by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Very soon he will not have the immunity, he will be free, the Edo people will deal with him as they please. And not just that, we are aware. They know they will lose. Obaseki knows that they will lose.
And that was a force man, let me say security agency, who are supposed to be neutral, right? And these people are still going to carry the INEC ballot bus from one polling unit to the other. They are the one that will carry everything back to the collation center, and they are already telling you that Obaseki messed up, and you think your vote is going to work in Edo State. Unless Edo people carried out a revolution, not voting. Edo people need to carry out a revolution, not voting, for you to get what you want. If you insist or you think that, oh, you're just going to press your finger on the ballot vote, you vote for Olumi Dakpata, you vote for whether Igodando, or you vote for that is going to give you victory, you are joking. You see, we keep on pretending. That is why we leave Nigeria at mess like this. And that is why everything is cutting us up. Insecurity, everything is taking us unaware. Because we feel relaxed. We think Nigeria is a normal country. Nigeria is not a normal country. We should not be deceived that your vote is going to give you or your candidate victory. It doesn't work, and it will not work. It will not work. I'm not trying to legalize illegality, but I'm trying to tell you that people knows how Nigeria is working. They are failing to tell you the truth. Because people will be frustrated at the end. At the end, they will go to court. At the end, they will do all. See, the reality is that the policemen, they have already taken sides. Now, if you think I'm lying, look at Obaseki crying foul. Look at a governor crying that look at what police is doing. Election time has not come. Now he's afraid. Look at Obaseki.
Is to arrest as many PDP stalwarts as possible, including me if they can. I think this is a very dangerous trend and is a real threat to our democracy. If the Commissioner of Police can undermine my authority as the Chief Security Officer of the state, I really don't know what I should do next. I don't know how to stop you. So I understand the Inspector General is coming to Benin tomorrow, and I'm going to make my feelings known to him that it is not in anybody's interest to undermine our democracy, particularly the police force. The police force is supposed to protect every Nigerian, and not some. I called the Commissioner of Police yesterday when I heard that they had arrested one of you, and he said he was going to get back to me, and until I speak now, I have not heard from him. Rather, I understand that that person has been transferred to Abuja. It is unconstitutional. It is not right. I am the Chief Security Officer of Edo State. If a citizen of Edo State commits a crime in Edo, he should be arrested and charged in Edo State and not abducted to Abuja. I am going to make this known to the Inspector General of Police, and if the plan is not to have elections in Edo, then the world will know. So please be peaceful. Let's wait for the IG to come in tomorrow, and I will let my feelings known to him. Because they are creating a very, very dangerous situation. Edo is a very unique state, and they should not hold anybody responsible if they create crisis in Edo, because a crisis in Edo can snowball into anything, and we don't want it for Nigeria. So I hear you. I've heard your demands. He's coming tomorrow, and we'll just wait. I hear from me after my meeting with him tomorrow. Thank you very much.
You should go back now.
All right, this is my conclusion about everything. I feel that if someone like P2B, Atiku, if they want to be sincere, they are not just going to be campaigning for their choices and leave all this stress. They know that their vote is not going to count. They know that their vote is not going to count. Who is going to conduct the election? Yakubu? Is it Yakubu, right? Yakubu. That is the person that is going to conduct the election. And Tinubu is telling you he's going to give Edo State back to APC. And you are seeing everything in reality. And they are still telling you people that day, you people should come out and go and vote for Nnamdi Ekpa. Go and vote for Aswe Gadado. And that is the right thing they were telling you before, if it is a normal country. But Nigeria is not a normal country where your vote, simple voting, can deliver a candidate. I am tired of pretending all those. These people should stop pretending and face the reality. You can't pretend for too long. Telling your fans, you people should go and vote as if the voting system is working. A president stood up and said he's going to give. He's the president of Nigeria. He's going to give Edo State to APC. You people are sleeping, telling your fans to go and vote. As if during presidential election they did not vote for you. What is that come of the vote? The whole you troop out and they voted for you. I saw P2B and Exoti. They did the right thing if Nigeria is a normal country by canvassing vote for Nnamdi Ekpa. But Nigeria is not a normal country. Obi knows. Obi knows that Nigeria is not a normal country where your vote for Nnamdi can make him win. Your vote will not make him win. I'm not saying you should not vote for him. As in, the PDP candidate, I'm not saying you should not vote for him. But your vote will not make PDP candidate to win. No. Listen to me. I'm not part of people who deceive Nigerians, right? That Edo election, they are going to rig it. Now, let me tell you people the solution. If you want APC not to rig the election, you people should leave vote and prepare for a political revolution. Anybody that shoot gun, you shoot him back. You have a right to self-defense as enshrined from the Constitution. You can go and listen to the video Fandana did about self-defense. Anybody who came, maybe that day they will come and carry the ballot box, get ready for him. If INEC rig the election, they will not leave you at their calling results. If you people did not prepare, that is the thing P2B and Atiku supposed to be preparing people for. Not go and vote. Who votes in help? Who vote in help? Let's stop pretending. Oh, let's stop pretending. Like you know they work. Not be this Nigeria. This is not time to be politically correct or time to deceive people. I have said my own. You have your own opinion. Believe what you believe. But election is this month. I will still be here to tell you this thing I told you. I am telling you today. I will still be here to remind you what I'm telling you today. Have a nice day.